Hi, Ollie. How you doing? Yeah. What are you doing, Ollie? Playing with Winnie the Pooh? Are you playing with Winnie? Huh? Huh? Oh, yeah. You gonna talk? Oh, bless you. Yeah.
Are you going to talk for us, Ollie? Can you introduce me to your bear?
What's going on, Ollie? You don't want to talk anymore? Should we roll you over?